Very good day to all of you. I am Bandula Abhay from Zenith Immigration Lawyers. In another 2 days, we are going to get out of this curfew. Actually, it will be eased, and with that, we have the hope we will be able to crawl back to our normal lives sooner or later. We live on hopes like that, and also big dreams. That's one big difference between an animal and a human. Now, however, shattered dreams could ruin your lives. They could ruin your lives, and also the lives of the people who are so near and dear to you. Because of that, we have to check our dreams to ensure that they are realistic. Now, there are quite a lot of people who approach us as a specialized Canadian immigration law firm to get our service for Canadian migration. Now, Canada has so many different migration programs. At present, we provide services only for one solid program, because we select programs only if they are rock solid. At present, we cannot actually give a guarantee about any program because they are government programs. If they change the criteria, so we cannot help it. However, our policies to determine which program is good based on the past records and the future prospects. Now, this program since January 2015 has been rock solid. Now, there are some programs when you try to kick the goal, they move the goal post, but not this program for more than 5 years. And about the future, government clearly says that they want to keep these programs going in order to keep their G7 economy intact. Now, let me quote the immigration minister. He issued a statement a few days ago. We continue to rely on immigration. It will be an economic driver. This will be the north star of our policy going forward. Now, about the program criteria. Basic eligibility requirements are IELTS general test results 6 each for each band, and even 1 year experience, and also even 2-year qualification, any age in theory. You may become eligible to apply by meeting these requirements. However, eligibility to apply and getting the visa are two different things. Now, let me explain this by drawing a parallel. Now, you have 3 years passes, 4 A levels, and you are eligible to apply to enter Sri Lankan Government University. Will you get there? They have a higher bar for university selection. Likewise, this Canadian program, the skilled worker program, also has a higher bar. At present, that bar is, if you are below 30 and you have a master's degree, IELTS general test results 8 for listening and 7 each for the other 3 bands, and work experience 3 years. Now, master's degree, even without bachelor degree, should be fine. There are some, with their experience, they can get enrolled in master's program even without bachelor or other diplomas. Now, about the experience, at present, there is no demand list. Any skilled occupation is eligible. HR assistant, admin assistant, marketing, executives, managers, and any category. And the experience could be even before the qualification you have obtained. And it, however, depends on your background, and we have to make an assessment. Now, if you meet these requirements, and we have so many clients who meet these requirements and who are getting the permanent resident visa within around 8 months. So, as long as you meet those requirements, as long as we do our part right, without making the simplest mistakes, because we have seen clients with refusers who come to us saying that, I made this mistake, and because of that I got refused. Now, you cannot afford to make the simplest mistake. So as long as you do that, you actually even don't need a consultant or a third party like ours if you can make a proper application without even the simplest mistake. I wish you all the best for your future.